This is Alex at Capital Tech Solutions, here to talk about what is WordPress and why do we use it here at CTS to build our websites. WordPress is a software for building websites known as a content management system, or CMS. A CMS lets you create and edit website content from an admin dashboard without ever needing to touch a line of code. WordPress is comprised of three main components: the core, themes, and plugins. The WordPress core is the content management system software. From its admin dashboard, it lets you control all the settings and features of your site. It lets you add content, publish blog posts, and manage your media files. The WordPress core is open source and completely free to use. Themes are templates that let you customize the look and layout of your website. Plugins let you add functionality and features to your site. Themes and plugins are built by third-party developers and can be free or premium. So why do we use WordPress at CTS? First, it's a reliable and well-supported platform. Approximately 35% of websites are built on WordPress, from personal blogs to large websites for multi-million-dollar companies, such as The New Yorker, BBC America, and Microsoft News Center. Because of its popularity, you can find a large community of support and resources online. The software is consistently updated to keep up with the latest best practices in website development. Second, it makes building and maintaining websites much easier. The pre-built core software, themes, and plugins let us developers set up websites quickly without needing to reinvent the wheel each time. This shortens the production time and allows us to focus on customizations. Once we're done building a website, our clients can easily edit and add new content, no coding needed. Third, WordPress is endlessly versatile and customizable. There are thousands of themes and tens of thousands of plugins out there that give you complete control over your website design and functionality. Using plugins, we've added features to client sites like e-commerce, memberships, social media integration, email marketing, event bookings, and more. As a bonus, WordPress is great for SEO and Google rankings. WordPress core and plugins give you complete control over critical SEO factors like page title, meta description, and headings. Because WordPress is easy to use, you can publish fresh content to your site frequently to power your Google rankings. To recap, WordPress is well supported, easy to use, completely customizable, and great for SEO, making it our website development software of choice.